Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will basically teach you on Microsoft Word table. So in my previous tutorial I already showed you how we could insert a table in our Word document, but in this tutorial I will show you how we could insert table as well as how we could design it based on our need. So let's start. To do it, we have to open a new document. So right now it is a new document and I'm clicking on the blank one. Now I'm going to insert a table here. As I showed you, we can create table using the visual available here, and the second step is we can write how many columns, just like 4 columns, 3 rows. In this way we can create table, and another one is we can draw table. Okay, this one. So in this way we can create our tables in Microsoft Word. Now I'm going to show you how we could edit our tables and how we could design it. So to do that, we have to select our table first. If you bring your mouse here, you will see that there is an arrow mark, and you can click on it to select a table. Then you have to go to the design tab. So in design tab you will see that different types of table designs are available. So from here you can choose. If you hover your mouse here, you can see different types of table designs could be prepared. So based on our selection of table, we can design our tables. As you have seen that we have chosen the design, and right now our tables are changing. Then now I'm showing you how we could add more rows or more columns in our table. So to do that, first we have to put our cursor here, or we have to select it. Then we need to click on the right button of our mouse. Then we have to go to the insert, and you have seen that there is an option insert rows below. So if you click on it, as you have seen that we are adding new rows. If we want to delete rows, we have to choose it first, or we have to select it with the help of our mouse. Then we have to click on the right button of our mouse, and then we can click on delete cells. It will ask if I want to delete the entire row or entire column. So if I use entire row and click on OK, then you have seen that the rows has been deleted. Now if I want to delete a column, then I have to select the column first, then I have to click on the right button, and then I have to click on delete column. So as you have seen that right now it is 2 column based table. Now in next step, if I want to merge these 2 rows into one, so what I have to do, first I have to select these 2 rows, and I have to click on the right button of our mouse, then I have to click on merge cell. So if I click on merge cell, then as you have seen that two rows are now merged and it's now become a one. Now if I want to add or styling the borders, I have to choose it first, then I can click on the right button of my mouse, then you can see border style. So from border style you can insert different types of style. For the time being I am putting two borders. Okay, now you can see that it has two borders right now. So in this way we can design our tables and we can insert our tables. We can merge the rows between our tables, and we can delete the columns as well. So if we want to remove the formatting, then we have to choose the table and have to delete table, then you can see that the table has been deleted. Now I hope you get a clear idea about how you could create tables in your document and how you could modify it and how you could design it based on your needs. So the inserting table and deleting table thing I have showed you using the use of mouse. Same action could be done using the layout menu. So you have to choose the table first, then beside design there is a layout one, so you have to click on layout and you can insert table above, you can insert below, you can insert left, you can merge cells, you can split tables. Okay, so in this way you can change the layouts of your table through different ways. So I hope after watching this video it will be very easier for you to create table and modify it based on your different demands. So thank you for watching.